Hello my lovelies, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. So today we're doing anonymous jewellery. I used to have this subscription a little while ago and decided that I'd like to revisit it. So basically it is a jewellery subscription. They have different levels of cost. Mine is 4 pieces for £19. That does include postage and packaging. The jewellery does last a little while. I mean, it's not real gold and silver, but it does tend to last as long as you're not putting loads of like perfume on or washing up with it on. Just make sure you take it off. So that's what the box is like. It comes like this in a little bag. Handy enough to fit through your letterbox. Right, so let's have a look. Okie dokie. So inside you get a little piece of paperwork. Just says it's a monthly subscription box, 4 pieces of jewellery, free shipping for £19. Gives you a list of jewellery items that you received, and this box has a total value of £53. And then you get a little leaflet here. This explains, I think, it's just a leaflet saying it's okay to be obsessed with jewellery. And then these are your jewellery items right here. So shall we have a look and see what I've got? Now, when you're doing a subscription, if you want to do one, it does say whether you like gold, silver, rose gold, or you don't mind a mixture. I'm going to go for silver at the moment. When I've got enough silver pieces, I'll probably switch to like a gold tone. Also ask you, do you have your ears pierced? Do you want earrings? Then it would also ask you for the size of a ring, if you like rings. So I do like rings. I like all jewellery. Right, so the first piece I see here is, oh, it looks like earrings. I'll take them out of the packaging. Oh my God, these are so cute. Look at those little earrings. So it's like stars and moon. They are so cute. Now, I'm going to have to try them in. I need to demonstrate to you how absolutely gorgeous. It also asks you, by the way, when you're filling out your profile, whether you do like drop earrings, hoops, well, kind of what sort of earrings you do like. And I don't own many drop down earrings, so I requested some. Oh, they're so nice. How pretty are those? And I think any age could get away with wearing these. Oh, I need to take my other earring out. I'm so not organised, as usual. Okay, let's pop that one in. I love these. I think they're incredibly cute. I got that one in. Oh guys, how did they look? Don't they look amazing? I hope you can see. So pretty. Oh, I'm pleased with them. I really like those. Right, next we have, oh my God, this is, oh, I think this is a necklace. This is a stars and moon necklace. It will go with this earrings. Let's take it out because you can always see better. So cute. Look. Oh my goodness, this is a layered necklace, so you actually get 2. And it does also ask that on your profile whether you like single necklaces or if you like layered looked necklaces. So this is the first necklace, and as you can see, it's got the little stars on it. Actually, don't know if you can see at all. Let's try and put it on there. So, focus. They've got little stars on. How incredibly cute. So this is more shorter, which I assume gonna sit on me like a pretty much choke kind of necklace. Love that. And then you also get, oh, I love this as well, it's so lovely. Sorry guys, just try to untangle it and I will show you. So this necklace is a longer one, but it has some little charms on it. So you've got a little star and you've also got a moon. If it's round the right way, this moon does have like little stones in it, which I can see you struggling to kind of pick up on that. But how gorgeous is that? So I need to put this on and demonstrate this also. Look at it around the right way. No, that way. So it's got pretty little like white zirconian stones going around the whole of the moon, the crest-shaped moon. So that is that on. Obviously you can make it shorter or as long as you want. Oh, I like that, it's lovely. Right then, next we have, I think this is a bracelet. Is this the infidelity thing, the sign? Yeah, this is cute also. So nice little bracelet, very cute. And then it looks like I've got another pair of drop down earrings. Oh, these are pretty as well. These are stunning. Right, so it looks like little leaves, and this here is a little cubic zirconian stone. These are so lovely. Gorgeous. I'm not going to switch them out because I love these ones. I'm going to keep these ones in, but I'm sure I'll probably wear these at some point when I'm doing a video. So that is it, guys. For £19 you get those pieces of jewellery. You also get a little leaflet in there to tell you how to look after your jewellery pieces to make them obviously last a little bit longer. I like this jewellery subscription box. Like I said, I did have it before. Check out my playlist. The pieces I always got seem to be really good value. £19, 4 pieces of jewellery, or well, in fact 5 because I got an extra necklace. I think they're cute, stylish. This little set is like beautiful, and they just look like half decent quality as well. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this. So if you fancy giving it a go, I'll leave the link down below. And they do have different subscriptions. I just chose to go with the 4 pieces for £19. And I think they do, now don't quote me on it, it's about, I think you get 3 pieces for maybe like £16. So if you don't want the 4 pieces, you go for 16. So that is it. That's all I've got for you on this one. Give me your thoughts down below. If you like these kind of videos of unboxings and try-ons and makeup, clothes, jewellery. I'm going to be doing handbags soon, so look out for that one. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share if you like. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, tell me why. Not down below. I'll have a look, see what I'm doing wrong. And as always, please, please, please leave your comments. I really do appreciate everybody that does leave their comments and engages with me. Just makes what I'm doing much, much more worthwhile. I may not answer immediately, but I will answer, you know, as soon as I can. I'll answer everybody. Any questions that you want to know, I'll let you know. And I'm sure there is a 10% discount code. I found one online for this anonymous jewellery for your first box. I'm sure there's a 10% discount code. if I can find it. Again, I'll link that down below in case you want to give it a try. Right, that's it for now. Please take care of yourselves. Have a great rest of the day, and I'll speak to you very, very soon in the next video. Bye for now. Take care. Bye. Mwah.